Hey guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge Live. Guys, in this video I'll be discussing about few sketch tools. So let's open part and just active the sketch by taking a plane. I'll first change the unit here. I'll be choosing here mm/second and I'll choose the front planes. So today we'll start with a polygon. A polygon is a tool to create the equilateral polygon with a number of sides between 3 to 40. Just to remember, we can create the polygon is having minimum sides is 3 and the maximum side is 40. So we can see here we have the tool polygon. Just click on the tools and just specify the point where you want to place the polygon. So I'll start in this origins and just click over here. Now you can see here it's coming like a triangle because you can see in the property manager the input is 3. So if you want, you can change it. Like I want to create the number of side is 5, so I'll give the input 5, and after giving the input you'll be having one more options. You can see here inscribe a circle and circumference a circle. So you can see here inscribe a circle is selected. That's what the input we are going to give, that is this circle. And here you can see here if I change it what will happen. So that will be the input. Now you can see here one angle is there. This is 90 degree. So how it's 90 degree, you can see the angle this is vertical to this. So that's what this perpendicular. So that's what it's showing here, 90 degree. You can change it now also and you can change the later also, as it is a parametric software, so you can change the later. You can see here I'll make it 45. Let's see what happens. Now you can see this has got tilted. So this is what how to create a polygon. So later I will tell you that how to define it. You can see here it's blue in color, means it's not fully defined, and even you can see here also this is telling that under defines. So we'll see that how to make it fully defined. Next we'll be moving into the ellipse. Let me remove this first. Ellipse is a tool used to create an ellipse entity. So for that what you need to do, first click on this ellipse icons and specify on the center point and define both the axes. This is one axis and this is one axis. Which one is going to be the major axis and minor axis, that's depend on the dimensions that you are giving. And you can change the orientation also. While I'll be telling you the relations, that time I will show you how to change the orientations. Now you can see here the size of this ellipse is not fixed, but the center is fixed because I have given the relations here coincident. By default it has taken coincidence. So this is how to create an ellipse. You can see here it's very easy to create an ellipse. Just click on the center point wherever you want to place. Suppose I want to place the center is this. Just click on this, define one axis. Like it's very easy to create an ellipse. Once again I'm showing, just click on the center point and define one axis and define the other axis, as it is major and minor. Which one is major, which one is minor, that's depending on your value. Next you can see if you expand this, you have options here. Partial ellipse. Partial ellipse is nothing, it's just like a elliptical arc. You can see how you have created the ellipse, it's as it is. So for making ellipse I have clicked on the center point first, then other axis. Now you can see from this point wherever you will be clicking on the next point, that will generate the elliptical arc. The size and all everything you can change it by giving the dimensions because it's a parametric software, so that I'll show you later. In the same way you can create here other things like a parabola. To create a shape like a parabola profile you can create by using this. Even you can create the conic also. Almost both the same. The way of the method is almost same how to do it. Okay, so same here. I'll just click on this then specify the point where you want to create. Now you can see here I have started the parabola from here itself, then click over here, and then I want to create it from here to here like this. You can create the parabola also. In the same way you can create the conic, the same things. You can use this according to your requirement. Next I'll be moving for the point. It's very easy to create a point. You can create the point for reference purpose. Suppose I want to create a point, select on the click on the point, then just click on the screen wherever you want to place it, or else you can give the value starting itself. Like I want to create a point which is in x value is like 200 and the y value is 300. Just go with this. Okay, you can create the multiple number of points at a time also. Now if you can check the dimensions, what will happens. See, this we have given 300 which is y value, and this is x value which we have given 200. Here you can notice one more thing, the point color become black, so it's become fully defined, and you can see here. So this is how to create a point. I'll make separate video how to make the sketch fully defined and how to give the dimensions and all, so don't worry about that. Next we'll be moving for the text. You can see here this is the icon for text, and text tool is used to create a text as a sketch entities. Now you can see if I click on the sketch, whatever you will type, it will not appear because you need a support where you want to place the sketch. You can see here you have one options where we can select edge, curve, sketch entities, anything we can select. So for making the sketch, what I'll be doing, I'll make a line over here. You can see I'll just draw a line, simple lines from here to here. So this line I will be using as a construction mode. You can just select on this and you can click on this construction geometry icons, so it will become into a center line or construction lines. Now I can go for the text. So just select the lines, and here I'll be typing my channel name. See here my text is there which is very small, so we can change the text height also. So uncheck this use document font and go for this font, and here I can select the number, or else you can change this. I'll give their number like a 20 or 30. Let's see what happens. Just go with this. Okay. So you can see here the size of the letter got increased, and even you can do some here also. The orientation you can change here. Now you can see here the text is starting from the left hand side of this line. So if you wanna, you can get it in the middle. We'll keep it like this. Just go with this. Okay. This is how to create the text. Even you can see here this text itself we can use to add the features, like we can add extrude. Guys, thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Happy learning and have a nice day.